In this video, I'm going to show you how to use parameters in filtering data. So let's say you've been given an assignment to find the top 10 products by sales. You can answer that question by simply dragging product name to the row shelf, add all members, and add sales to the columns, and sort the view in descending order by sales. Next, create a set that contains the top 10 products by sales. So to create the set, you go to the product name, create set, whereby you go to the third option, or rather the third tab, select top. By field, you're going to choose top. However, if you want to show the bottom 10, you can change this one to bottom. So for this case, it's top 10 products by sales, whereby sales is aggregated by sum. So this set contains the top 10 products. Click OK, and you can use this set as a filter by simply dropping it to the filters, and that way you've created a view which returns the top 10 products by sales. But now suppose this question changes, and now you're required to compute the top 15 products by sales. You can do that by simply going back to the set again, go to edit set, and here under top you can change this value from 10 to 15, click OK, and the list will update. But now suppose the question changes again and you need to find the top 20 or top 25 or top 100. You can use a parameter to empower users to dynamically change those values. And to do that, we're going to create a parameter. So how do we create a parameter? I'm just going to come here, open the drop down and go to create parameter. And for this case, let me just call the parameter top N, whereby I'm going to choose the data type. In this case, I want to be able to change the value 10 or the value 15 to 20 to 25, etc. So the data type here will be an integer, and I can choose the current value. So for this case, let me choose 15, and I can set the allowable values to be all, or have a list, or simply arrange. For this case, let me have all the values, so you can enter any value. In this case, let me change this one back to 15 and click OK. And now instead of going to the set and change the value, what I'll do, I'll go to the set, go to edit, but now instead of changing this value from 15, I'm simply going to replace it with the parameter top N, essentially what we've created. Click OK. Let me make this parameter visible by simply right-clicking on it and show parameter. And now I can use the parameter to filter out the products I need to see. For example, I can change this one to top 5 or top 20 or even top 100. And as you can see, by using a parameter, you can empower users to filter data in a more dynamic way. And basically, that's how you can use a parameter to filter data. Thanks, everyone.